बाबा GFAच्या इश्यूच्या रायज ऑर्डर येवपाची आशिल्ली रिजर्व जाली
No, the order matter was concluded for arguments yesterday, and we were notified that the matter is fixed for judgment today at 2:30. So the petition apparently is allowed by the honourable judge, and it is declared that the amendment carried out on 29th July 2018 is upheld. The amendment carried out on 3rd of Feb 2019 is rejected, as a result of which the age bar of 70 years shall come into effect, and consequently I as a president will have to demit the office. What is also further observed and directed by the Honorable High Court is that whatever decisions are taken by me or as a president or as a member of the committee during my tenure shall not be questioned in future proceedings. We had sought for the stay of the operation and the effect of the judgment, but the Honorable High Court was pleased to reject it. So, otherwise, I have advised my client that we need to take this up before the Honorable Apex Court. At the end of it, it is the client's call.
Okay, but you talk about amendment 70.
Yes.
So that means the person who has gone above 70 cannot.
No, the issue was very simple. The issue was we had a National Sports Code of 2011, which was come into effect. Of course, this is the petitioner's case, and instructions were issued by the Ministry of Sports to say that all the associations will have to come and be in tune with the National Sports Code. The National Sports Code said that the age has to be 70. In line of that, purportedly on 29 July 2018, amendment was carried out to the statutes of the Goa Football Association, by virtue of which this particular amendment said that 70 years will be the age bar. Now that we took it up in a challenge because we were made as a respondent number 5 in view of the fact that since I've attained the age of 70 and I no longer can exercise my right or for that matter occupy the position as the president of the association. So I was made as a respondent number 5 there. So therefore we said that the amendment has been insidiously and unsurreptitiously carried out to the association because on 26th October 2018 I was elected as a president. The approval granted by this particular earlier managing committee came to be invited to the Inspector General of the Society only thereafter, that is in November 2018. But of course this did not appeal to the Honorable Bench for the reasons best known, because we still not have got the copy of the judgment. I will be able to tell you much more on this only after looking at it.
So, but with this order, it comes to know that age is 70.
With this particular order, now the situation is that the respondent number 5, that is the president, will rather cease to exercise his right as a president. But then, in view of, we respect the Honorable High Court's decision, but in view of the fact that the Honorable High Court has also further observed that the decisions shall be called into question. Let's see what.
So, any chance of challenging this in the Apex Court?
That is what it is a client's call at the end of the day. We have already instructed him to take the necessary call. It's his decision.